Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today, it's find the area and perimeter. Right here, you gotta find two different things, okay? So they gave us a figure here. They have actually almost all the sides, okay? They got a couple missing. They didn't write this one in here, but this is a 20 because I can see that it kind of came to the end, okay? The end here is the same as the end here, okay? So if I drew a straight line down, they'd both be equal. But what we're kind of missing is the hypothesis of the triangle they made here. See, let's see. They got a little triangle here. See it? Okay? So, let's see if we can figure the sides of that. Well, they told us that this one here is 12. Okay, 12. And this one here is 20. So if that's 12, that means this must be 12. Okay, because I drew a straight line down, so we got that. And now they told us that this was 10 here. And they told us that this was 4 here. So what's the difference between 10 and 4? It's 6. Okay? So I got two legs of the triangle. Okay? I got a 6 and a 12. Okay? So let's see. They're telling us it's a square, which would be 6. So it's 6 square plus 12 square equals, this would be c. C square. C square. So let's figure that out, okay? So we got 12 squared is 36. 36 plus 140, 12 square, I didn't write the square, is 144 equals c square. C square. So hey, 36 plus 144 is 180, okay? 180 equals c square. So let's get my calculator out, okay? 180, because what I got to do now, I got to do the square root of both sides, okay? That will solve for c. So the square root of 180, okay, is 13 point, I'm going to round this off, 13.42, okay? 13.42 equals c, equals c, okay? So hey, that's 13.42. 42. So let's see, to do the perimeter now, I just add them all up, okay? So let's see, we'll start from one side. I got a 10, then I got a 20, okay, then I got a 4, right? Now, I got a 12, I got a 13.42, 42, and then I got another 20. Now let's add them all up together. I get 79.42. 42 equals P. Equals P. So let's square this off so the teacher knows, hey, at least that's one of my answers, okay? So just in case the test ends, at least I got one thing square. Okay, so that's going to be the answer for that. So now, let's figure the area, okay? Now, this is going to be a little easier than you think, okay? So what I do here, okay, I'm going to change this to a black ink, okay? Black ink. I'd almost make a big square. Big square like this. Big square. Okay, make a big square, just like this. I'd figure it all. So we got 20 by 10, okay? The area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. So if that was the whole thing, it'd be 20 by 10. It'd be 20 times 10. It'd be 200. That'd be the area. But I'm missing this little bit right in here, okay? Right in there, I'm missing that, okay? And now what that is another little rectangle, but half of it. So it's 6 by 12. So 6 by 12. 6 times 12 equals 72. But I'm only missing half of that rectangle, so I'm missing half of that, okay? Half. I'm missing 36. You see that? See how that works? I'm only missing half of this. I'm missing this little shaded area. Let me color this in yellow. I'm missing this little area in here, okay? That's the area I'm missing, okay? I'm missing that little shaded area. So I'm only missing half of it. So hey, let's go back to the black again. So I'm missing 36 minus 164. They don't tell you if it's inches or anything. I'm going to call it inches square, okay? Inches square, because don't forget, when you're talking area, it's got to be square inches. So that's that, and let's write a big A equals that. Okay, so now I got both of them solved. But you see how we kind of just made it all little rectangles, and then we're only missing half of that. Okay, so that's all there was to it. So you have to kind of know that Pythagorean theorem. Remember the A square plus B square equals C square. You got to memorize this. Really, this is a formula you're going to use all the time. Okay, and so I try to commit that to memory. A square plus B square equals C square. Okay, and then as you see, I try to write nice and neat, so that way I can go back and check. Hey, does 36 plus 144 equal 180? Yes, it does, okay? Now, take my calculator again. The square root of 180 is at 13.42. Then take 13.42 and multiply it times each other. Do I come up with 180? Yes, I do, okay? Now, did 10, 24, and 12, and 13.42, and 20 equal 79.42? Yes, it did, okay? So that way you can go back and double check at the end to make sure, hey, did I get everything done correctly? Okay, did I do any silly math mistakes? Okay, and if not, you got this problem right. Okay, so hey, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Share this with any students you have in math, because they are going to see problems like this, and that way they'll be able to solve this pretty quick. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.